How's it going, everyone? This is Brandon Yanofsky from mywpexpert.com, and today I want to show you how to use VaultPress for backing up your website. Now, VaultPress is not a free plugin like most of the other plugins I've shown you before, but it is a lot easier to use and actually quite affordable. So, with VaultPress, you have a couple different pricing options. For most of you, the $5 a month option is fine. If, however, you need real-time backup, where no matter what change you make, it'll automatically back that up right away, you can go for the $15 a month option, or if you need some security scans, you can go for the $40 a month. But again, for most of you, $5 a month is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up and show you how to install it on your site. Once you've signed up, you're going to want to go ahead and download the VaultPress plugin and also copy the registration code right here. So I went ahead and installed the plugin on my site, and now you see it says I need to enter in my my registration code. So I'm going to go ahead and just click the Register VaultPress button. And then I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste the registration key that I got after signing up. So once I've done that, it's going to take just a few minutes for it to go through and do a first backup. So what we'll do is we'll come back once the full backup is complete. In the meantime, what you might want to do is set up for remote access, as this will allow you to restore really easily if for whatever reason your site gets deleted or if something happens to it. And to do that, you just want to do the FTP option, which I would recommend. And you just need to get your server address from your hosting company. Port number is usually 21 unless you're doing SFTP and your host will tell you that. And then you just need to enter your username and password and click test and save. And once you've done that, you'll be able to restore your site for whatever reason. And now we'll just wait for the backup to complete and then I'll come back. So once your backup is completed, your screen will look something like this, letting you know that you have a full backup. It'll tell you how many posts you have, comments, etc. You can also see activity, so see when things were backed up last. So again, this is all backed up. So now what we're going to do is go over to the VaultPress backend. So when you log into VaultPress, you'll be able to see all the different sites that you're backing up. So I'm going to go to my current backup site, and I'm going to click on Backups, and it'll let me know the last time it was backed up. And when I go in here, I can see a calendar with all my backups and also see a list of backups. So I can view the backups if I want. And then I can go ahead and download it or just take a look through all the different files. I can also go ahead and restore it. So if I click restore, I can say what I want to restore. And then I can prepare backup. And what it'll do now is it will go ahead and start prepping everything to do the restore. And once it's ready, I just need to enter in my FTP info. So again, my host, the port, username and password, and your host will be able to provide you all that information. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this right now because I don't want to do a restore. And that is how you set up VaultPress so that you have a backup for your website. Just in case anything goes wrong, you can always quickly restore it. So go ahead, sign up for VaultPress and get it installed on your website.